see what we got. Oh wow. MPJ. 95995. That's pretty cool. 10 on the auto. It's a nice card. Love that little ball. We got 85, and then 9. Ouch. 85. Love my little ball. Oh, next one's Precious. Chua. 75, 95, 95, and 9. Oof. Not so good. Alright. Painting Pritchard's 9, 9, 95, 95. That's not bad. Obi Toppin. 85, 9, 95, 95, 9. Okay. Manuel Quickly. 85, 95, 95, 95, 9. Silver. It's okay, I guess. Could be worse, you know. Patrick Williams. We got 9, 9, 95, 95. Here we go, the last one. Another Obi Toppin. 85, 95, 95, 9. Yeah, it's alright. This is the big card out of them all. Not so much Precious though. It's kind of cool.